Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change currency in your YouTube channel. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right, and then you need to click on YouTube Studio. So let me enable the VPN because currently it is down. Click on YouTube Studio. So once you are on your YouTube Studio, you simply need to click on settings, and here you can see currency. So I'm going to change into some another currency. Okay, and then you need to click on save. So here you can see that currency is now changed on my YouTube channel. So this is the process by which you can change currency in your YouTube channel. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.